Annyeong! Today we're making Keto Gimbap, a low-carb version of Korean gimbap that skips the rice. With summer coming up, this is something many Korean girls turn to when cutting carbs or watching their diet. If you're tired of eating salad all the time, this is a light, nutritionally balanced alternative. Let me show you how to make it. Let's start with 6 eggs, which will take the place of rice in our gimbap. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, plus 2 tablespoons of water, and beat until smooth. We're going to make thin egg crepes. Cook each one in a non-stick pan over low heat, spreading the mixture as thin as possible. If they're thin enough, you won't need to flip them. I made a total of 9 sheets from 6 eggs. Let them cool completely, then stack and slice into thin strips. Next, let's make a quick carrot slaw. Julienne or use 100 grams of matchstick carrots. Blanch them in boiling water for 30 seconds. Then season with half a tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt, which you can skip if you're cutting down on sodium. Every gimbap needs a bit of crunchy and acidity. Normally that comes from 단무지 or sweet and sour pickled radish. But this carrot slaw is lighter, healthier, and a lot easier to make. Let it sit while we prep the rest. We're also adding 100 grams of spinach. Blanch quickly in boiling water with a tablespoon of salt for about 30 seconds. Spinach adds a vibrant green color and it's a classic gimbap filling. Then rinse, squeeze out excess water, and set aside. For extra protein, we're using bulgogi-style ground beef. Cook 100 grams of ground beef and a tablespoon of minced garlic. When halfway cooked, add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Normally, I'd add a tablespoon of sugar. It really brings out the savory flavor, but since I'm watching my weight, I'm skipping it today. Cook until it seems a bit dry. Get a sheet of roasted seaweed. You'll notice one side is shiny and smooth, and the other is rough. Place this shiny side down, rough side up with the shorter edge facing you. Layer the sliced egg strips to cover about 2/3 of the sheet. Try to lay them as evenly as you can. Add a bit of each filling across the bottom edge, making sure there are no gaps. It will help with rolling. With dry hands, lift the edge and roll tightly but gently. Go slow. At the end, dab your fingers with water to seal the seam and rest the seam side down. Again, seaweed, egg, the fillings, roll, and seal the seam with water. To cut, make 2 short sawing motions across the top edge before slicing straight down. This keeps the seaweed from tearing and gives you nice clean slices. The 2 ends where the fillings peek out are called kodari or tails. Some people especially love those pieces, so cut them a little thicker. This also prevents the extra fillings from falling out. And that's it, Keto Kimbap. Not quite like regular kimbap, but light, protein-packed, and perfect when you're craving something fresh and low-carb. Honestly, it's one of the most delicious options out there for clean eating. All the ingredients and steps are listed in the description below, so check that out when you're ready to cook. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.